Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic potential difference and volt method. What is potential difference? The difference in potential between two terminals is called potential difference. Potential difference. The difference in potential between two terminals is called potential difference. So the difference in potential between two terminals is called potential difference. How do you understand this term potential difference? Suppose this is a battery and which is connected with a closed key. So the bigger line, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. The negative terminal which is at lower potential and the positive terminal which is considered to be higher potential. And the direction of flow of electric current from higher potential to lower potential. So here positive terminal is considered to be at higher potential. And negative terminal is considered to be lower potential. And current always flows from higher potential to lower potential till the potential between two terminals, that is potential at both the terminals, becomes same. The flow of current in the circuit stops when the potential between two terminals will be same. Current flows through the circuit as the potential difference is maintained. Now another question, why we connect battery in an electric circuit? A battery is connected in an electric circuit to maintain potential difference, because current flows in the circuit as the potential difference maintained in the electric circuit. Just I give one example. Suppose this is a body A, that is the hotter body. It is at higher temperature and it is placed in contact with B body which is at lower temperature. A is at higher temperature and B body at lower temperature. It means A is hotter, B is cooler. Now both the A and B objects are placed in contact. Then all of you know, heat always flows from hotter body to the colder body. Heat flows from a body at higher temperature to the other body at lower temperature till the temperature of A and B becomes same. heat energy, that is the flow of heat occurs from A to B body till the temperature of both the body becomes same. In the same way, current flows from higher potential to lower potential till the potential at both the terminals becomes same. So what is potential difference? The difference in potential between two terminals of a battery, that is positive terminal and negative terminal. Now, can you tell me which device is used to measure the potential difference? A device which is used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter. What is voltmeter? An instrument used to measure the potential difference across the end of the conductor. So an instrument used to measure the potential difference across the ends of a conductor is called voltmeter. Now, voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference, and it is always connected in an electric circuit that is parallel to the resistor, and voltmeter is a high resistance device. Thank you.